Yeah, you can tell it's getting dark now. I think you can tell when it gets dark when you start seeing the color. So I brought 2 cameras. There's fireworks going off everywhere. You can see the lights going on now. Emergency lights. Oh. Well, it looks like they started something.
Oh, get out of there! You guys want to tell Jeremy? Hey, I got something to tell you about. What both these girls? Get out of there, Lauren!
There, quiet.
Just get away.
Guys.
Hey, Thomas. Go ahead. I'm gonna find out.
If it's tested, I'm gonna let it go.
Is that what you're worried about?
I don't know if it's gonna go, Shores.
I don't know if it's gonna stay.
We'll get it.
Oh, why did you throw it up there? Don't put that whole box in there because you might need it.
Tom's got
It
it.
doesn't stay. That's a main trail gasoline with that. Oh, hey. There we go. That might.
What is that sizzling sound?
The dead leaves.
Oh.
There.
Look, bugs. It's
I don't know, guys.
seed fire.
That's all you're gonna get. All these are done. It doesn't do. It's not like it doesn't go up like that.
This ain't looking good.
It's not like gasoline. It's not like gasoline. No. There's no ethanol on it.
Gasoline in itself is flammable.
It's just a fuel. Yeah. Like you could smoke a cigarette by gasoline.
Yep.
And nothing would happen. Like people freak out about it, but you can literally smoke a cigarette by it. Now in the 90s you couldn't smoke a cigarette by no gasoline. Gee. It was some
Lauren.
shit. Man.
You're doing a fine job.
Yeah, there you go. You might be actually doing something.
Make sure you huff all that. I don't think it's gonna catch.
You look at it.
You better go get 5 more gallons.
Lauren.
I just don't want you up there.
The whole thing's blowing up. It's not gonna
It'll
happen.
prolong the wedding date. Yeah. That's not 3rd degree.
Well, Jeremy, why don't you take one for the team and get in there? Yeah, you do it.
Sacrifice the medium.
He's so cute. What's his name? What's his middle name? Jeremy Craig. Jeremy Craig. He's so cute. He's adorable, ain't he? Yo, hey. He's cute, ain't he? Ain't he? That's how he gets when he fishes too. He's like, there might be a shark in there. Yo, Jeremy, can you sacrifice this medium? Jeremy Craig, come on, leave her alone, man.
Jeremy Craig!
Yo. He's trying to ignore us. He's trying to ignore us. Jerry! Yo, he's gonna be so pissed at you girls. Yo, we are broken. Hey, that might actually stay up. Nah. It's going on the beneath.
No, actually, no.
That's not just the leaves. There's a lot more burning.
Get him, Riley.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah, look at the smoke, dude. There's a lot going on.
My eyes are burning. Stay sorry.
Sorry, Lauren, get out of it.
No, not to me. Stay sorry to her. Sam, sorry for cutting.
You heard what she said. Hey, she said say sorry to my mom, bro.
To show that you actually
Bro,
love,
she just called you out in front of all of us.
to
Bro.
show your love for your
Yeah,
future
bro.
wife.
Oh,
Sacrifice.
yo,
this
she's about to
medium.
put you in a choke, bro. Yo, she almost
Bro.
had you, yo.
You're
Yo,
about
did
to
you
do
see
it.
Jeremy was at the...
You're about to Hulk out of that.
Yo,
medium.
Jeremy. Jeremy.
I'm
Yo,
not
come on.
doing it.
Yo, your shirt almost ripped, bro.
Jeremy keeps cussing.
Oh! Yo, Jeremy. Yo.
He's hulking out.
Rylan, stop it.
Riley, get his ear.
Get his ear. Yo, I'm done with these two.
Riley, get him.
Get her, Ramon.
Hands up.
Oh, shit.
Get him, Riley.
Yo, I told you can't wrestle around her, yo. Keep it getting real.
Hands up.
All right. Here, hold on. There's Diesel coming. There's Diesel coming. Ooh. There we go. If that don't do it, bro. All right, Lauren, he's right. You're out. You're out, Lauren.
Lauren,
Yeah, put it down.
throw the stick in there and get away. Right there.
There's a bear. Yo, he's funny. He said there's a bear right there. Sharon, we know you love her.
She was in like math.
All right, Lauren, come on. You're just going to piss him off.
Hey, go grab on fireworks.
Here, hold that. I don't know. You're about to get in trouble.
I think we got the fire now.
Oh, I did a couple times.
One time I first look at fire.
What did he just save all this stuff from all year?
Try to kill my fiance?
Because basically all day I ate like so much food and I never flushed one time.
I'll
That's
throw
why I'm
one of my
always
enemies in a fire.
Let her know, Jeremy. Just let her know.
Here's the thing. If Lauren sees that,
I have driven new cars without.
What?
me and her wrestle
Oh, really?
dude, she freaks out. It's
Brand new.
she has some type of like phobia. You don't like it. If she would have saw that, Lauren would watch it. Psychotic.
Like, how bad? Like, on a scale of 1 to 10.
Crazy. Everyone would have been like this.
Especially by the fire, she would actually.
I've been working on my
Like, how about you was in there putting her life in jeopardy?
When we do it at the house, she'll literally do
Oh, really?
yeah.
Oh, she guys on Ryland? Wow, I mean, you guys are...
Because it's so flying at me.
Ain't as black as I thought yet.
That's because the flame is getting higher now.
Oh, you got it going now, buddy.
Took a while, but
Al, you're still here.
yeah. Oh, okay.
How's old Salem treating you?
Yeah, Jose was telling me. Lauren, Al lives right up the road from me. Yo!
Riley! Lauren! He put his hands on me.
Okay, with your mom asked you to get.
What? Oh my gosh, you should have heard his name. She just been asking me that.
Oh, it doesn't matter. You asked her for a ride. You asked her for money. Go get your mom something. Whatever she
What does
asks
she
for.
want, Rose?
Wait, the chocolate one.
It's in the fork.
It better come back. It better come back sealed.
Lauren,
I just stole it. What, baby?
I can't have this.
What?
The phony thing. I got too much.
Why?
Yeah.
Why not?
Anybody want this Pepsi? Show you right where I threw them steps is where I want to.
Wipe it off the top, though.
Well, yeah, John.
Keep a little fire there.
Laura, me and Ron will wrestle while you.
Normally if there's dry.
This whole pile will be up and it's so hot it burns so fast.
Yeah, well, you're gonna
Oh my gosh.
Yo, you got
fire
the cycle
over
on
here.
me?
That way we have something by us.
Right behind the tree. She's still standing up.
She stick the roof, dude.
Yeah, she's right there. She's been spinning on that thing like crazy. Oh. I saw her from over there.
Where's that boomers at, man?
Depends on who you have.
Well, I bet you Sean's living. Dang, George. He's been waiting for months. Yo, Mike. He's been waiting for years. Once a year.
It's open.
I can feel the heat from here.
It's open.
How do you know?
That's
a hot one.
I said make sure it come back. I grabbed it out of the thing
Now that heat will dry the rest of that out little by little.
How much like
It goes deep. If you go from the side, it goes back a good ways.
how much like gasoline did you put on that?
Of it right there.
Probably 15 gallons of diesel.
That's going up really high.
That's what I was worried about with all the heat before we got the rain. Is that tree right there? The one year, it was almost touching the leaves. Like once it gets to the back, but it's all red. Yeah. Might have to run and put that there. Don't burn fucking. Lauren, get away from the fire.
Yeah, Lauren. How many times do I gotta tell you?
I know. I just
Hey, did somebody grab the radio, you think?
nice. I was trying to throw it in the fire. It feels nice.
Hey, you know what, girl? You gotta get back. Huh? Huh? It's only gonna get worse. What do you think about the fire? What do you think, Al? Nice and warm. Dude, it's way too warm. It's not even hot out, it's the humidity's killing it. It's freaking humid wet out here, dude.
Wow, that's like gone up really high.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm feeling all over my head. Al, last year, 2 years ago, that tree started on fire almost on Justin. You tell you that?
Yeah, he was telling me he was a leaf.
Bethany was like, I'm
They're
falling apart. She's like, no, you're not.
They're gonna,
I didn't know
they're
where
gonna bring a
this radio
chainsaw and cut
was.
a branch down.
Wait a minute.
But it was like really big. When, right now? 2 years ago today. Where did they cut down?
Dude, we gotta go back.
Why?
Oh my god, what's that?
Oh yeah, cause it's
Whoa!
Get down the
Fireworks.
Yeah, because if you go back here,
I want to see these other ones. Oh, wait. There it is. One's a little different.
is it okay?
Yeah. The other ones are different. A little bit.
Dude, he's non-stop. Yeah, it's sick. Hey, whatever of mine.
Oh, shit.
The way I walk in them, dude, over extended period of time, those kill me.
It's amazing how I went from that little flame to like,
I know, right? It's huge.
It's huge, Sean. Sean Savina live and uncut from Wampum, PA.
so we're not from Wampum, PA.
Your video from Wampum.
No, this is Lawrence County.
Wampum. Sean Savina, live and uncut from Beaver